Hi, I'm Kate Ginsburg, and welcome to this edition of Inspired Stories from Tubular. Today, we're going to talk about some of the key themes and insights that emerged in a new piece of research we've just released titled Audiences, Shoppers, and Modern Storytellers. At Tubular, we believe that social video is a mirror to culture, and we love identifying and telling stories about the trends and behaviors we see in the platform. In this report, we use Tubular data across all of our solutions, including new consumer insights shopper intelligence data, to uncover the profiles of a content audience and provide guidance on how brands, agencies, and media companies can engage these motivated customers. We use travel audiences as an example, but the findings we'll walk through apply across industries and consumer types. We identified 3 unique audience mindsets: narrators, seekers, and nomads. And in this research, we outlined the cycle of the consumer's journey as they transition from a viewer to a consumer and an engager. Travel planning is a cyclical process, rich with actionable insights for marketers to align their products and brands. Narrators work hard to document and inspire others with their travel content. Seekers hold a deep-seated wanderlust and are always researching and looking for travel inspiration, and they wouldn't be able to immerse themselves in the space with access to only print or still photos. Nomads have adopted travel as a lifestyle, born out of increased opportunities for remote working on the road, and while they're unlikely to have access to traditional TVs, you can bet they'll have phones and tablets. Each audience type holds unique personal motivations, consumer behaviors, and viewing preferences. So let's walk through a piece of it. In 2021, many people across the globe were still in various stages of lockdowns and weren't traveling. However, it created pent-up desires for travel and exploration. Tubular data shows that more than 112 billion minutes of travel content were consumed in 2021, and over 4 million videos were uploaded. This high volume of content also translates into measurable e-commerce shopping activity, and not just for what you might expect travelers to buy. We see that audiences who watch travel-themed content make up 29% of mountain bike shopping activities online, but also 30% of noodle soup shopping. So if you have a product, chances are targeting the viewers of travel content is a pretty good bet. Now, let's look at one of the audience profiles we identified: narrators. Narrators love to create and share travel content, knowing they'll be inspiring others, and they rely on social video to do so. Capturing and sharing their journeys provides others with a boost of positivity and hope for future travels. And if you've planned any type of trip or vacation in the past few years, think about the media channels you've used in your research. Whether you're trying to choose a hotel, plan an itinerary, or are just looking for overall inspiration, video content across YouTube or Facebook or other platforms probably played a pretty big role. Audiences who watch narrator content shop for tools to document their own travel, like camera equipment, and are also watching other content about tech and entrepreneurship online. Using these inputs from shopper behavior intelligence data from Tubular's consumer insights and intel into what else audiences are watching, these traveler mindsets are driving millions of content views and interactions and significant shopping activities against both endemic and non-endemic categories and brands. The increased significance and the power of social video is an opportunity for your brand to create products, messaging, or content aligned with one of these mindsets, and to apply these learnings to your business regardless of your brand's category. To understand the seeker and the nomad audiences, please access the full report, Audiences, Shoppers, and Modern Storytellers, available via the link below, and reach out for the opportunity to create actionable insights like this for you and your company. Thank you.